Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Brittany, and today we are going to do a little Plannerkate haul that I just got. Let me go ahead and open it up. The invoice. Alright, as usual, her business card comes. I also have one of her stickers. And then the samplers that I got are these little labels. It says do, practice, dentist, work, hair appointment, therapy, meeting, payday, chiropractor, and massage. I don't have this one yet, so that's nice. 3 checkbox list, mani and pedi sheet, some colorful labels, and then this is some books. I think I have a couple of these already. Little book quotes, so those are cute. And then this sheet I got that doesn't really go with any of my other stickers, and it's S840 or 874. They're just little weight stickers. I like to use these when I go to Pound or Bar just to add a little picture in there. And then I also got S878, which is the little food icons. I'm trying something new. I got dinner labels my last haul, and I thought I would try these two just to see what I like better. And then for my kits for December, I got kit 188F and G. So this is the monthly kit. I really liked this one. Very cute, very festive. And then I also got the second sheet of that, just mainly for these extra little boxes. I like to use a washi, and that'll give me plenty of boxes and stickers to use for those. And then I also picked up mini kit 191A. I also really liked this one. This looks a little bit more natural than the other one, but I thought I could use this for sure. And then I got kit 190D. I really like these colors. Excited to use this. I love the washi strip and the full box mainly. And then I also got mini kit 195A. I love the bright colors of this. I was a little iffy at first because I thought this doesn't really shout Christmas, but then I was like, yeah, it really does. So I went ahead and picked up that. And then my last sheet that I got is mini kit 193A, and I like this kit, kind of. I like the full box. I'm not a big fan of this washi. I wish it said like Merry Christmas or something. So that's why I got these little thin washies, and I think I might just use the brown Merry Christmas for my bottom like I usually do. I've never ordered this before, but hopefully it looks okay. If not, I'll just stick with the thick ones. But yeah, I didn't get that many, just enough for this. Let me know what you guys picked out for your kits for December. And yeah, I thought it was alright. I wasn't a big fan of a lot of hers. I know she did like a poll on Facebook to see which ones we wanted to make kits, full kits, mini kits, whatever. But I don't know, I really only liked 2 of them, like dying to have 2 of them, but I don't want to shop elsewhere because I know how to use her stickers. I know what I need to use her stickers in my weekly layouts. So I don't know, I did just order from a different company, and so far I really like her stickers too, and they're a little cheaper. It's pretty much the same layout, so I will have to give them a try and maybe just go back and forth between those 2 shops. I don't want to get a whole bunch of shops and not be able to keep track of, you know, where I ordered from or whatever. But I'm still really happy with this. Excited. The year's almost over. I'm excited to see what comes out for New Year's. I haven't ordered from her for New Year's, but I bet it's going to be super cute. So if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below if you got any of these kits or are using her kits or what you thought about the designs. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!